Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for the 16th of July 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. Nifty opened with a positive bias once again today but failed to hold its momentum and corrected to close flat with a negative bias. The NSE index closed lower by 5.75 points or 0.02% at 24,072.75. The correction from top seen today was due to weak cues from the Asian markets, elevated crude prices amid US-Iran tensions, and FII selling. The sectors traded mixed with realty emerging as today's worst performer. Consumer durables and media gained the most among the sectoral indices. Volatility for the index dipped mildly. Levels may be kept the same and supports may remain at 24,055 followed by 23,930, while resistances may be placed at 24,165 followed by 24,300. Nifty seems to be in a consolidation phase for now as it awaits major cues to influence its next moves. Elevated crude prices, uncertainty with regards to Fed rate hikes, geopolitical tensions, and AI-led disruption are the various factors in play right now that seem to have balanced each other out. For tomorrow, a negative bias may be expected on account of some profit booking before the weekend. Nifty may become more bullish above 24,535, while a break below 23,400 could make the index more bearish. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex closed flat with gains of only 1.44 points to end the day at approximately 77,187. Levels for Sensex may be kept the same as well, with supports remaining at 76,915 followed by 76,520, while resistances may be placed at 77,280 followed by 77,725. The BSE index may be expected to be bullish above 78,385, while a break below 75,790 could make the index bearish. Now, we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil prices are still consolidating within a range as it stabilizes at slightly higher levels while trading sideways. The conflict between US and Iran are still ongoing, with neither side currently indicating any signs of renegotiating a ceasefire. Volatility for the commodity has dipped mildly. No changes are required to levels for crude oil, with supports remaining at 7,650 followed by 7,545, while resistances may be placed at 7,800 followed by 7,915. For today, crude oil prices may be expected to stay range-bound as it bounces between levels with a slight negative bias. OPEC plus production increase along with a decline in global consumption seems to be pressuring the commodity despite the support being provided by the recent conflict. Trading between levels while taking momentum into consideration may be the right move for now. The energy counter may witness further bullish momentum above 8,000, while a break below 7,290 could lead the commodity back to normal levels. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. BHEL reported a strong turnaround in Q1 FY27, posting a net profit of 377 crore rupees compared to a loss in the year-ago period. Revenue surged 40% year-on-year to 7,698 crore rupees, driven by improved execution and a return to profitability in its power segment. ITC Hotels reported a 35% year-on-year rise in Q1 FY27 net profit to 180 crore rupees, while revenue increased nearly 15% to 936 crore rupees. The company also announced the acquisition of GHK Hospitality, strengthening its growth strategy and expanding its hospitality portfolio. Polycab India posted a robust 33% increase in Q1 FY27 net profit, while revenue climbed 39% year-on-year to 8,210 crore rupees. Strong growth across its wires and cables business, along with a sharp rise in FMEG sales, helped drive the company's strong quarterly performance. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted over the weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amal Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Sector Retracement Strategy for Stock Options, Consistent High Probability Trades. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic candle psychology with OI shift strategy using VWAP, EMA, RSI, and volume indicators. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.